Hi, I'm Steve Hoff from Ultra Tools, and today I'm going to show you guys our new carbon fiber hail cart. And it's we got two different versions of it. We have an A61UCF and an A61UCF-GT for a glue tray. So this cart is going to come in a package about this big. So it's about 20 by 20 by 4 inches without the upper tray. And then with the upper tray, it's going to add a couple more inches to it. So it's going to come in a canvas bag. So when you guys get it, it's going to be all self-contained in a bag, travel bag. The one without the tray, just the UCF, weighs 18 pounds, and the A61UCF-GT weighs 21 pounds. So super lightweight, super sturdy, breaks down real fast, and we're going to show you guys how easy it is to put it together. So when you get it, it's going to be all apart, and the carbon fiber tubes are going to be inside the trays. So what you'll do is you're going to start off by taking a look at that. You have a stainless steel base frame, and what we're going to do is we're going to start off by putting the casters. You got some nice 3-inch casters, locking casters. So you're going to get those guys going inside the base, and the base plastic tray is the one without the holes, so that's easy enough to figure out. The long tubes are going to start off on the base, so we're going to get those all screwed on there. So the next step is going to be putting the center tray on. So you've got your center tray, and it's gonna go on up here. So basically the next step is you're just gonna screw these guys in here. Real simple. One at a time. Alright, get these all snugged up. Alright, so now we're going to put the upper tray on it. Thumb screws. Okay, so now it's all together. Super stable, sturdy, 18 pounds. Okay, so now if we want the GT version for this cart, you've got the upper glue tray, you've got your hooks that hold the slide hammer and a couple of glue guns, and then you got your brackets. So these brackets, you're going to put these on first on the cart here. So this upper one goes underneath the top tray. Okay, so then you've got the bottom one. Get that together. Alright, once those are together, you're just going to take the stainless steel tube, okay, slide that in. You got your thumb screws, got the bottom one, get that in there and lock that, and then the upper tray is just simply going to go on top, and then get your other thumb screw inside there. that tightened up, and then we're going to put the hooks on it. So the hooks, the big side of the hook is going to go towards the back for your glue guns, and then the other small side of the hook is going to be used for your slide hammer. So about 48 inches tall, the top of the upper glue tray, 38 inches to the top of the cart by itself, 21 total pounds, and there again it's super sturdy. So next we're going to show you guys this thing all loaded up with tools. So this is the ultra carbon fiber cart all loaded up with tools. It's got about 45 pounds of tools on it, so as you can see there's a lot more room for tools and accessories that you could put on this thing. Super stable, easy to move around, and very fast tear down and assembly. Once you get the tools out of it, you can tear it down in less than 5 minutes. Perfect for the mobile hail guy and even the permanent shop guys. So you can find this card on ultradentools.com.